Welcome to a new year, a time for fresh starts and healthier habits. As we all know, the start of a new year often brings with it a renewed sense of purpose and a desire to make positive changes. One such change that has the potential to significantly transform your life is meal planning. Meal planning is more than just deciding what's for dinner. It's a thoughtful approach to eating that, when done correctly, can elevate your health, save your time, and even lighten the load on your wallet. Think for a moment about how much time you spend each week wondering what to cook, making last-minute grocery runs, or succumbing to takeout because it just seems easier. These seemingly small decisions can take up a significant portion of your time and often lead to less than ideal dietary choices. Meal planning eliminates that stress. You take the time to plan, you shop for the ingredients you need, you prepare your meals, and just like that, your meals for the entire week are sorted. You can go about your daily life knowing that you have nutritious, home-cooked meals waiting for you at home. Now let's delve a little deeper into how meal planning can ease your financial burden. Ever noticed how those quick trips to the grocery store for one or two items always end up costing more than you planned? That's because without a plan, it's easy to make impulsive buys and spend more than necessary. But with a meal plan, you buy only what you need, and you can take advantage of bulk buying and sales. Another noteworthy advantage of meal planning lies in its ability to ensure a balanced diet. A balanced diet is key to good health, and with meal planning, you can ensure you're getting a good mix of nutrients in your diet. You control the ingredients, so you can make choices that align with your health goals. If you're watching your sugar or salt intake, or if you're vegetarian, gluten-free, or a specific diet, meal planning can cater to these needs. Then there's the environmental aspect to consider. We've all had instances where we had to throw out food that's gone bad because we bought too much or didn't use it in time. Waste not only puts a strain on our wallet, but also on the environment. With meal planning, you're less likely to waste food because you're only buying what you'll use. Meal planning is not just about eating right, it's about living right. It's a lifestyle change that leads to a healthier, happier you. It's about being proactive, taking control of your diet, and ultimately your life. Embrace meal planning and watch as it transforms not just your diet, but your daily life. A healthy, no-cook breakfast option that you can prepare the night before is overnight oats. This is the perfect solution to those rushed mornings when you need a quick, nutritious meal to kickstart your day. But what exactly are overnight oats? This simple yet delicious breakfast idea is a mixture of oats soaked overnight in a liquid, usually milk or yogurt, and then flavored with your choice of toppings. The result is a creamy, pudding-like dish that's packed with nutrition and flavor. Now let's begin journey into creating this wholesome dish. Our first ingredient is rolled oats. This staple grain is a powerhouse of nutrients. These oats are high in fiber, helping to regulate your digestion and keep you feeling full for longer. Not only that, but oats are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential for maintaining healthy body functions. Next in line is almond milk. This dairy-free milk alternative is a great option for those of you who are lactose intolerant or simply looking to reduce your dairy intake. Almond milk is low in calories and high in vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. It also contains a good amount of calcium, crucial for bone health. Moving on, we add a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Besides adding a rich, creamy texture to the mixture, Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. It's also great for keeping you satiated, helping you avoid those mid-morning cravings that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Next, we introduce chia seeds. These small seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Their superpower lies in their ability to absorb liquid and expand, adding a delightful, pudding-like texture to the oats. Now that we've covered the base ingredients, let's delve into the world of toppings. This is the stage where you can let your creativity run wild. The choice of fruits adds color, sweetness, and a wealth of vitamins and antioxidants to your oats. For instance, bananas are an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium, while berries boast of their high antioxidant content. Nuts and seeds make great additions too, offering a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrition. Almonds, for instance, are high in healthy fats and fiber, while pumpkin seeds provide a good amount of iron and zinc. Once you've mixed in all the ingredients, give it a good stir, cover the mixture, and let it chill in the fridge. By morning, you'll find a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you. What sets overnight oats apart from other breakfast options is their versatility. You can play around with various flavors and textures by up your choice of milk, yogurt, and toppings. If you have a sweet tooth, you can even add a sweetener of your choice, like honey or maple syrup. In summary, overnight oats is a simple, healthy, and delicious breakfast option that you can prepare ahead of time. It's the perfect solution for those hectic mornings when you just don't have the time to whip up a hearty breakfast. Eating a nutritious breakfast like overnight oats can help to kickstart your metabolism, boost your concentration and productivity, and prevent overeating later in the day. The benefits are endless. Overnight oats are not just delicious and easy to make, but also packed with nutrients to start your day right. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite breakfast. For lunch, a quinoa salad is a quick, easy, and healthy option. Quinoa, a grain that hails from South America, is a culinary gem that has been cherished by cultures for thousands of years. This small, round grain is not just versatile in terms of its culinary use, but it is also a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients that are vital for overall body health. It's a fact that quinoa is one of the few plant foods that offer all 9 essential amino acids, marking it as a complete protein. This characteristic alone places it high on the list of healthy foods. Additionally, quinoa is in fiber and iron, and it happens to be gluten-free. This makes it an exceptional alternative for those with specific dietary needs or those who simply wish to incorporate healthier foods into their diets. Now, how do we turn this super grain into a tasty lunchtime treat? The process is simpler than you might think. The transformation of quinoa into a salad begins with cooking the quinoa. The general rule of thumb is to use parts water to 1 part quinoa. Bring this mixture to a boil and then let it simmer until the quinoa becomes tender and the water is fully absorbed. This process usually takes about 15 minutes. While the quinoa is simmering and releasing its nutty aroma, it's time to prepare the other ingredients that will turn this quinoa base into a full-flavored salad. We'll need a variety of mixed greens, some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocados. These ingredients not only bestow a vibrant array of colors to your salad, enhancing its visual appeal, but they also bring their own unique health benefits. Mixed greens are a low-calorie source of dietary fiber, providing vital vitamins such as A and C. They also contain a good amount of folate, essential for cell growth and division. Cherry tomatoes, on the other hand, are bursting with vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant reputed for its numerous health benefits. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating due to their high water content, and they are a good source of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Finally, we come to avocados. These buttery fruits are not just for toast or guacamole, they're A in their own right. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the healthy kind, fiber, and a host of vital nutrients. Eating avocados can help in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and provide other health benefits. Once the quinoa is cooked, let it cool slightly before adding it to your salad. Adding hot quinoa to your salad can cause the greens to wilt prematurely. Toss in your cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and diced avocados. But hang on, we're not done yet. No salad is complete without its crown, the dressing. And we're not talking about those store-bought versions filled with preservatives and hidden sugars. We're creating ours from scratch, using some olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of honey. Olive oil is a source of healthy fats. Lemon juice adds a fresh tang. Garlic brings a savory note, and honey balances it all with a hint of sweetness. Whisk these ingredients together until they emulsify into a creamy dressing. Drizzle this homemade concoction over your salad, toss everything together, and voila! You've got yourself a quinoa salad that is not only appealing to the eyes, but also nourishing for the body. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, a sensory experience in each mouthful. The nuttiness of the quinoa, the freshness of the greens, the juiciness of the tomatoes, the crunchiness of the cucumbers, the creaminess of the avocados, the bright tanginess of the dressing all marry beautifully together. But it's not just about taste. This quinoa salad is a testament to the fact that eating healthily does not mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Each bite is a reminder that food can be both good for you and taste good too. This quinoa salad is a perfect blend of flavors and nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. For dinner, Let's go for grilled salmon with steamed vegetables. This phrase might sound simple, but it's an invitation to embark on a gastronomic adventure filled with delicious flavors, vibrant colors, and a wealth of nutritional benefits. When you think of a perfectly cooked piece of salmon, what comes to mind? Imagine a succulent, tender piece of fish, its deep pink flesh transformed into an opaque masterpiece under the heat of the grill. Grilling salmon is an art in itself, requiring a balance of heat, timing, and seasoning to bring out the best in this seafood delicacy. At its best, a grilled salmon fillet is moist and flaky, packed to the brim with a delectable flavor that is unmistakably unique to this type of fish. But what makes this meal truly shine is not just its taste, but its impressive nutritional profile as well. Salmon is a veritable powerhouse of nutrition, brimming with high-quality protein that aids in muscle development and recovery. It is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium for heart health, selenium for a robust immune system, and vitamin B12 for supporting nerve function and the production of DNA. Let's not forget the importance of omega-3 fatty acids, present in abundance in salmon. These essential fats contribute to brain health, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of heart disease. As such, incorporating salmon into your diet is a smart choice for maintaining overall health. Now let's delve into the cooking process. First, preheat your grill over medium heat. While it's warming, prepare your salmon fillets. Drizzle them with a little olive oil, sprinkle a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for seasoning. Let the fillets sit for a few minutes, allowing these simple yet effective flavors to permeate the fish. Once the grill is heated, place the salmon skin side down. This neat trick helps to retain the natural moisture within the fish, and it will also make flipping the fillets easier later on. The grill should be closed, letting the salmon cook in its own time for about 10 minutes, or until it's cooked to your preference. It's crucial not to overcook the salmon as it can easily dry out, so keep a vigilant eye on it. While the salmon is grilling, it's time to steam the vegetables. Today we're opting for a colorful combination of broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. These vegetables are not only pleasing to the eye, but also loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Steaming as a cooking method helps to retain these nutrients and maintain the bright color and crunchy texture to steam your vegetables. You need a pot equipped with a tight-fitting lid and a steamer basket. Fill the pot with just enough water to touch the base of the basket and bring it to boil. Add the chopped vegetables into the basket, cover the pot, and let them steam. The cooking time will depend on your preference for tender or crunchy vegetables. For a touch of crunch, steam for 5 to 7 minutes. If you prefer softer vegetables, let them steam for 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are done, season them with a bit of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now comes the most satisfying part: plating your meal. Arrange a generous serving of the brightly colored steamed vegetables on a plate, then top them with your beautifully grilled salmon. There you have it, a dinner that's not only visually appealing but also brimming with nutrition and flavor. This grilled salmon with steamed vegetables is a light, flavorful, and nutritious way to end your day. It's a meal that satisfies your palate and your body, all in one. So, give it a try and enjoy the delectable journey to health and wellness. Before we wrap up, remember, if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a small action for you, but it means a great deal to us. Clicking the like button supports our channel and helps us increase our reach, enabling us to spread the word about healthy living and meal planning. It assists others in their quest towards improved health and wellness. But don't just stop there. The next step is crucial. If you're new here, it's essential to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you become an integral part of our health-conscious community. A group of people eager to improve their lifestyle, just like you. Subscribing also gives you exclusive access to our new content. We're working on some thrilling new projects, ranging from delectable, nutritious recipes to wellness hacks. You definitely don't want to miss out on these. By subscribing, you not only benefit yourself, but also contribute to our mission. Your subscription aids us in delivering high-quality, scientifically backed content that helps you and countless others lead healthier lives. So don't hesitate. The subscribe button is right there, ready for you to click. Now let's take this one step further. Have you ever considered how this video could aid your friends and family? Perhaps you know someone striving to adopt a healthier diet, or someone constantly searching for new recipes. This video could be a game changer for them. Why share it? It's as effortless as clicking the share button below this video. Sharing, as they say, is caring. You're not just sharing a video, you're sharing knowledge, tools for a healthier lifestyle, and the potential for a healthier, happier life. It's about empowering others with the information they need to make informed choices about their health. So let's recap. Like, subscribe, and share. 3 simple actions that can make a significant impact. For you, for us, for everyone. Let's create a ripple effect, spreading health and happiness far and wide. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Here's to a healthier, happier future. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing to provide you with valuable health content. We hope this video has been informative and beneficial, and we encourage you to continue your journey towards optimal health with us. In conclusion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Every click counts. Every click brings us closer to our goal of promoting health and well-being. Until we meet again, stay healthy, stay motivated, and remember that every step counts on the journey towards a healthier you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay healthy.